Carolyn, you're on News 96.5. Go ahead.
Hi, thank you. My question that I have is, I'm divorced, and in the divorce, my ex-husband got possession of the house and the responsibility of paying the mortgage.
Okay.
I found out recently he wasn't, so I filed a petition to request his financials and ask him to, get current. However, last week I was served with foreclosure.
Right. So, Carolyn, is there any equity in this property?
Not much.
Okay. Well, Carolyn, about the as far as going to court, as far as going to divorce court and trying to force him to make mortgage payments, hey, forget it. I think that's a big waste of time. I don't think that's going to serve you. Carolyn, the bottom line is that it appears that this mortgage foreclosure is going to go through, and hopefully the lender is going to take that piece of property back and call it even. So, Carolyn, what we would hope would be that no deficiency judgment will be sought against you in the future. Now, Carolyn, when you go to buy a car or you go to buy a house in the future and they're going to say, Carolyn, you got a mortgage foreclosure on your credit report. That's terrible, awful. Well, you're going to show them a copy of your divorce decree where it was ordered and he agreed that he was going to be responsible for those payments, and hopefully those lenders will then ignore this foreclosure on your credit.
So if I get an extension on, I assume that they come after both of us individually. I don't know that, but if I get an extension for my part, can they put him in default, or they automatically try to go after both of us?
Well, they're going to name anybody who ever signed that mortgage, and that's why you're being named as a defendant in this lawsuit. There's not going to be, there's no defense to it, Carolyn. Your ex-husband did not make the payments. Yeah, it's hard for me to sit here and tell somebody not to bother answering a lawsuit, so I'm not going to do that for you, but it's not going to change the outcome, Carolyn. All right, good luck to you.
What about, okay, one more question. What about can I have it with my order trying to make him pay it, that he would be responsible for any deficiencies?
I think absolutely yes. If it comes down to that in the coming years, if they were to sue you for deficiency, and let's say it was for $50,000, I think no doubt you could go against your ex-husband to make him pay your share. Good luck to you, Carolyn.